and tricks. Grammar usage. Noun. In any competitive exam, proper understanding of grammar usage is required for attempting questions from the section English language or verbal ability. These types of questions are quite common in all competitive exams and mostly come in the form of questions like spotting the errors. Finding an error in a sentence is a step-by-step process. Students must follow grammar rules while solving such type of questions. In English, parts of speech are the basic type of words. There are 9 parts of speech: nouns, verbs, adjectives, adverbs, pronouns, conjunctions, prepositions, interjections, and articles. Let us understand the first part of speech, noun. A noun is the name of a person, thing, emotion, idea, group, etc. There are 4 types of nouns. Proper noun. A proper noun is the name for one particular member of a class and usually starts with a capital letter. Examples: Rama, John, Madras, New York, etc. Baba Ramdev is the founder of the Patanjali group. This sentence is wrong. The correct way to frame this sentence is Baba Ramdev is the founder of the Patanjali group. Common noun. Names that can be applied to any one class of persons or places or things. Examples: river, cottage, car, child, etc. There are 2 types of common noun. Countable nouns. Those can be counted like 1 boy, 2 boys, etc. Countable nouns, which can be used singularly, should be accompanied with an article. Boy is tall. This sentence is wrong. The correct way to frame this sentence is the boy is tall. Uncountable nouns. Those cannot be counted. Example: things which are considered in mass or quantity and not in numbers. Sugar, sand, dust, etc. Materials: paper, wood, cloth, silver, gold, iron, etc. Liquids: water, milk, oil, ink, honey, etc. Gases: steam, mist, nitrogen, air, etc. Natural phenomena: heat, cold, electricity, lightning, etc. Branches of learning: economics, mathematics, and politics, etc. The government today said the average retail sugars prices have risen by 22% in last 1 year. This sentence is wrong. The correct way to frame this sentence is the government today said the average retail sugar prices have risen by 22% in last 1 year. Abstract noun. An abstract noun refers to an intangible thing without physical properties such as an emotion, concept, etc. Examples: love, nationalism, lust, character, etc. Without national, Indian politics can neither serve the people nor protect them. The correct way to frame this sentence is without nationalism, Indian politics can neither serve the people nor protect them. Concrete noun. A concrete noun refers to things with physical properties. These nouns can be sensed using one of our 5 senses: sight, hear, touch, smell, and taste. Examples: paper, sun, light, chair, people. The news of alleged leak of 9th class mathematic questions paper spread like wildfire. This is a wrong way of framing the sentence. The correct way will be: the news of alleged leak of 9th class mathematics question paper spread like wildfire. Considering the fact that nouns are the most significant words in English language, it is required by the students to classify them into proper categories for identifying correct mistakes or errors in a sentence or a paragraph.